Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry several different knife brands, and one of those brands happens to be Hogue. Hogue is known primarily for their gun grips, but their knives are just as good. This knife is the Hogue X1-Microflip Wharncliffe folding knife. The Hogue Microflip features a 2 3/4 inch Wharncliffe blade, and the blade is made of CPM 154 stainless steel. The handle is made of 6061-T6 anodized aluminum. It comes with a stainless steel ambidextrous tip-up carry pocket clip, and it has a push-button locking mechanism to lock that blade into place. And then a push-button release to close the knife. These cost $148.71 and includes free shipping. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for new knife and flashlight releases. Like this video and please share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.